All right, Smoke MN. This is Mexican Pork Take 2 with Meat Church's Fajita Rub. Hey, Smoke MN. Here we are, round 2 with Mexican Pork, as promised. Once I got the Fajita Rub for Meat Church. So we're at the point right now. Internal temp on this is 170. Pulling off to do phase 2, which, if you remember, more hot sauce. Fajita Rub. Butter. About a half cup of chicken broth. And foil. Back on the smoker till I hit just over 200, and then it's good to go. I should share with you today I am enjoying a Luna coffee stout. Check back soon. Hey, Smoke MN. We've got the Mexican pork. Came off the smoker. We're ready to tear into this thing. Just take a peek. Look at that. That is looking good. First thing we're going to do here is drain the juice. If you don't have one of these fat separators, I highly recommend it. Works really well. Separates the fat. You can add the juice back to the meat. It's like this one is a OXO brand. Ordered it off Amazon. I think it was like $13, $14, something like that. Works great. All right, so first things first, let's get the bone out of here. Clean pull, good sign. Smells amazing. I'm going to attempt to roll it over so I can slide that fat cap off. All right, now we are ready to start shredding. As I shred here, I'm going to keep adding Fajita Rub, mixing in as I go. All right, I think we're at a point we can give this a try. That's pretty good. Very similar to Take 1 with the fajita seasoning versus the rub. I can tell I taste a little more salt with the rub. Very good flavor. What I haven't done yet is added any of the juice. This is going to enhance the flavor here, but I will tell you. Take 1, Take 2, both winners. If you're looking for something different to do with pork, this is absolutely amazing on tacos. Very delicious. Oh, man. That's good stuff. 2 winners. I don't know if I have a favorite. Both are good. Hope you enjoyed this. I think one thing to learn here is if you don't have the right seasonings for a recipe you see, as did I, fajita seasoning works. So, give Mexican pork a whirl. It's good stuff. Great, like I said, on tacos. Really easy for the family because I packaged it up in 1 pound bags. Able to take those out just as we need it throughout the week and heat them up. Have some tacos. Good stuff. Till next time, good night, Smoke and Men. We'll catch you guys later.